Question. DS. The ratio of cars to trucks to pickups displayed in a showroom is 2 to 4 to 7. What is the number of cars? Condition 1. The number of pickups is greater than 10 but less than 15. Condition 2. The total number of cars and trucks is 12. Solution. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. DS, 4 variables and 3 equations. Question. Condition 1, 1 equation. Condition 2, 1 equation. DS question with 4 variables and 3 equations. Let the original condition in a DS question contain 4 variables and 3 equations. Now, 4 variables and 3 equations would generally require one more equation for us to be able to solve for the value of the variables. We know that each condition would usually give us an equation, and since we need one equation to match the number of variables and equations in the original condition, the equal number of equations and variables should logically lead to answer D. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. This type of question is very common in the GMAT. This is how you solve most of the ratio questions, and the most likely answer is D. We have to find the number of cars if the ratio of cars to trucks to pickups displayed in a showroom is 2 to 4 to 7. Let the common ratio be K, and the number of cars, trucks, and pickups be C, T, and P, respectively. Follow the second and third steps. From the original condition, we have 4 variables, C, T, P, and K, and 3 equations. C equals 2 times K, T equals 4 times K, and P equals 7 times K. To match the number of variables, with the number of equations, we need one more equation. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide one equation each, D would most likely be the answer. That's right. The ratio K is what is important here. Recall 3 principles and choose D as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at each condition. Condition 1 tells us that the number of pickups is greater than 10 but less than 15. Then we get 10 is less than 7 times K, which is less than 15. And the only possible value of K is 2. So the number of cars equals 2 times K equals 2 times 2, which equals 4. Since it is a unique answer, this condition is sufficient. Condition 2 tells us the total number of cars and trucks is 12. That is, C plus T equals 12, or 2 times K plus 4 times K equals 12. Adding like terms gives us 6 times K equals 12, or K equals 2. So the number of cars is 2 times 2 equals 4. Since it is a unique answer, this condition is sufficient. Ratio questions become very easy when you use this approach. Remember, you don't have to go through this process in the actual exam. Just go for the answer D right away. Each condition alone is sufficient. So D is the correct answer. Answer D.